Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and today I want to take you on a tour of a new construction home located in Crane Shores in Donnelly, Idaho. This two-story home is situated on a large neighborhood lot, just 7 miles from Tamarack Ski Resort and 1 mile from the boat launch. The builders, Sugar Creek Homes, chose a floor plan that would be desirable for a rental or a primary residence. Each bedroom downstairs has its own bathroom, and there's a flex space upstairs in addition to the 2 bedrooms. You can do with that whatever you wish. The kitchen features a gas stovetop and has hard surface counters, a large pantry, and tons of cabinet space. They've opened up the front cabinet area and the back. One of my favorite features about the home is that there's high ceilings throughout the house. Thanks for taking this tour through the brand new construction home in Crane Shores neighborhood. If you have any questions or you want more information about this build, give me a call.